3.
Hi guys!
Hey guys, this is Group 1.
In this video, we're going to show you the process of making these basic sugar biscuits.
These sugar biscuits were baked at different time intervals, which are 5, 10 and 20 minutes.
These sugar cookies will then be sent to test its moisture content, water activity and microbial growth. Hope you guys enjoy!
Yay! Cream together the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, whisk together vanilla extract and eggs. Now gradually add the egg mixture into the butter and sugar mixture. Add flour in 3 parts. Place the dough in a cling film and refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Now roll out the dough evenly to 0.5 cm of thickness. Cut out even shapes. Place the dough on a baking tray. Place the tray in the oven for 5, 10 and 15 minutes at an even temperature. After the cookies are baked, place them on a cooling rack to cool.
These biscuits are underbaked and they are baked 5 minutes and it's soft to the touch. And these are the normal baked biscuits and they are baked 10 minutes and it's crispy. And these are the overbaked cookies and they are baked for 20 minutes and it's hot. Can you hear that?
To test the water activity, the biscuits were crushed. Then the biscuits were placed in a water activity meter which has already been calibrated. For the undercooked biscuits, our water activity is at 0.735. 0.536 for normal cookies and 0.334 for overcooked cookies. As we can see, our water activity for undercooked biscuits is higher compared to biscuits that have been cooked for a longer period of time. Next, we measured 5 grams of each sample, undercooked, normal, and overcooked biscuits. After using the moisture content analyzer to analyze the moisture content of the biscuits, we can conclude that as baking time increases, the moisture content decreases. Next, we measure the microbial growth. 99 milliliters of Peptone water was added to 11 grams of sample. The sample was placed in a stomacher bag and then placed in a stomacher. The stomacher was run for 2 minutes. The sample was removed from the stomacher. The samples were plated on nutrient agar and they were left for incubation at 37 degrees for 3 days. Water is a major component of most foods. It influences the taste, appearance, and spoilage of food products. There are two types, water content and water activity. Water content, also known as the moisture content, is determined by drying the food product. This is to determine the moisture loss. We need to know this for labeling, packaging, and storage, whereas water activity helps us determine the shelf life of the food product. For example, a fresh fruit, such as an apple, will have a higher water activity than jam, although both have a high water content. Why? Water in jam is bound structurally and chemically and not freely available. The more free water there is in a food product, the better the environment for microorganisms to grow. Water activity is based on a scale from 0 to 1, with pure water having a water activity of 1. The higher the water activity, the more it supports the growth of most microorganisms and bacteria. With a medium water activity, it will support growth of yeast and mold. At low water activity, the food is considered shelf stable. Water activity is used as a measure of shelf stability. Through our experiment, we're able to conclude that although all biscuits were baked at the same temperature, when they were baked for a longer period of time, the water activity, moisture content, and microbial growth were lower, whereas if they were baked for a lesser period of time, the water activity, moisture content, and microbial growth were higher. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.